Today I want to try a different kind of vlog, so let's try if it works out. To reach our destination, we have to take the train, obviously, because if we would walk, it would be around, I think, 5 hours or something. Actually, it's rainy season at the moment, but the weather was awesome today. A little bit too awesome because we reached 30 degrees, so we decided to stay inside. We had to change trains at Nishi-Funabashi and Minami-Funabashi too. So our plan was to go to Costco, but we didn't knew you have to have a member card, so we couldn't enter, but at least I could film this lady making, I guess, pie. So we skipped that and just went to Ikea, which is 2 stations away, I think. There are several Ikea within Tokyo, but this is some which is really huge, like in Germany. But we do not have an escalator in Germany. We have to always climb the stairs, which is a bit inconvenient, to be honest. First thing I noticed was that there are few more rooms that are smaller. I mean, it makes sense, obviously, but I expected to be a lot more smaller rooms, so I was a bit disappointed, to be honest, because I thought I could have a bit inspiration from that, but still I think you can tell some rooms are different from the European Ikea, but I'm not sure if I would know it was in Japan if I wasn't there myself. I mean, let's be honest, no one could actually tell if you are in Germany or in Japan, because I don't think this is an average size apartment. At least our apartment in Japan is not even as huge as the kitchen is. I'm not sure if you have Ikea yourself in your country, but we do not have any gas stoves in Germany. Like, I was so confused because everyone has gas stove, and in Ikea everything was gas stove, and I was like, well, I mean, at least you can tell from the kitchen that it's Japan. This is an example apartment, and I think this is the most exact example, to be honest. So we have a small kitchen here, which is, I would say, a normal size in Japan, probably a bit too big for the space of the fridge, but like, I mean, that's obviously the regular toilet you get in Japan. So I think this apartment is the only one you can really tell, okay, this is Japan. We then went to the restaurant area, and there are slightly different things that you can get in Germany. Especially the vegetarian menu is not as awesome. To be honest, I don't know how many options we have right now, but I think just 2 or 3, and they don't really taste good. I don't want to lie, they are not good in Germany. I really wish we had tea in Germany. We don't have it. Like, we have just those sweet drinks. Not even water. Like, I don't know. But can we just take a moment to appreciate this awesome curry? Especially because there is no paprika inside or anything I hate, so it's the perfect curry. We then moved on to LaLaPort, which is a shopping mall. I'd say it's pretty awesome because it's so huge. You cannot even imagine. At least I couldn't. And yeah, just enjoy the stores and the things that you can buy there.